Hello wannabe artists, I'm Certified Idiot and I'll be showing you small idiots some hacks to cut down the time you're working on your comic. I've been working on comics for over a year now and I've had my period of failure and experimentation. This is what works for me currently. First hack, SketchUp. SketchUp is the application a lot of comic artists use when putting backgrounds in. Perspective is hard and using SketchUp can save thousands of hours for your comic. There's a place called the 3D warehouse where there are some pre-made models. Artists from both Webtoon Canvas and originals use models from that place. Trust me, I've found many of them. However, you need a pro license to be able to use the models to make money from the 3D warehouse, but no one will notice either way. Second hack, add glow or color dodge. Because I'm lazy, I always have multiple add glow layers for lighting. Airbrushing certain areas of the panel always makes the piece more cohesive and nice. Make sure to be mindful of the light source when applying the airbrush. Adding custom lighting brushes in the add glow layers is extremely helpful too. Which brings me to third hack, custom brushes. If you use Clip Studio Paint or maybe Photoshop, there is a wide array of custom brushes you can download. For Clip Studio Paint, there is a huge selection of custom brushes in Clip Studio Assets. I have many foliage and cloud brushes downloaded to cut down the time needed to finish panels. As I said previously, custom light brushes help a lot to make panels look better. Fourth hack, 3D models. Clip Studio Paint offers many 3D models in the materials section of the app. These are great for complex poses you're too lazy to draw yourself. However, be mindful that these aren't the most anatomically correct, so you're gonna have to have at least an understanding of basic anatomy, since you're gonna have to tweak it. These are great for general guidelines of making poses. Fifth hack, reusing stuff. A lot of the time, it's convenient to copy and paste backgrounds and sometimes even full panels. All you have to do with it is change the expression slightly or add a bit more detail so it's undetectable. These are the tips that I find useful when I'm working on my main comics, and I hope you found them useful. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.